From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
And welcome. So a star son caught in a narcotics case has been denied bail. And there is an absolute outrage among celebs, an outrage among certain higher economic echelons who are building a narrative. They're blaming this on the government. In this case, however, the government has, through the Narcotics Control Bureau, only put its case before the court. It's not the government. It is the court that has denied the bail. The last time bail was denied in this specific case, it was on technical grounds. But this time, it's on merit. What does this mean? This means that after a detailed presentation of both sides, with Aryan Khan being represented by some of the best-known criminal lawyers in the country, the court has come to the conclusion that prima facie, the star son is not innocent. That the drugs charges against him have some solid proof, have some solid ground. The court has said this. Now, some are saying that because a star son is facing the law and the court is refusing him bail, the whole system has failed. But there are others, viewers, in this country. Many others who say that this proves that despite everything, despite the strong lobbies and the attack on the agency and the attacks on the officer leading this anti-drugs campaign, the decision of the court proves that in fact the system is working. Fact is, viewers, this case has made many who feel that belonging to a socio-economic bracket allows them to have a drugs is cool attitude. It's made these people insecure. Fact is that in many powerful and rich circles, drugs were seen to be a lifestyle choice. We're like this only attitude. Fact is that this case will be a massive deterrent for drug users, a massive deterrent for drug pushers and peddlers. Fact is, ladies and gentlemen, that anyone who has anything to do with drugs in this country is looking at this case and feeling worried, and that's good for the country. Ladies and gentlemen, can we consider the fact that maybe when the system works, those who think they are above it tend to overreact? Can we consider that, please? The nation wants to know. Debate number 1 tonight. Campaigns to run down the NCB fail. The court rejects bail for Aryan Khan. Tough message for drug users. Debate number 2, the ISKCON Bangladesh channel speaking against the atrocities on Hindus has been removed by Twitter. Is it part of an anti-Hindu pattern? Debate number 3 tonight. As Captain launches his party and hints at a resolution of the farmers' issue, are some upset that the farmers' protests could be resolved? That's debate number 3, and here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on The Debate Tonight. Mumbai Sessions Court denies bail to Shah Rukh Khan's son in the drugs case. In the drugs case, with hard evidence and not just chats, the NCP builds a very strong case on drugs against Aryan Khan. The court verdict in the drugs case has sent a tough message to narcotic users across the nation. Drugs are not cool. Twitter blocks Hindu groups and ISKCON in Bangladesh. Are they being blacked out for highlighting anti-Hindu hate? With farmer resolution possibly in sight, captain is heading towards a super alliance. Why is the Congress getting worked up? And the biggest vaccination drive in humanity, India set to hit the 1 billion vaccine target this Thursday. And ladies and gentlemen, this 18-page Mumbai court order not only mentions the strong grounds set by the NCB due to which Aryan Khan was denied bail this afternoon, but also as a tough message across India for anyone who has anything to do with drugs, narcotics, psychotropic substances. Here is what the court said, and then we debate.
For the last 18 days, Aryan Khan has been in custody in connection with the cruise drug bust. For the last 12 days, he has been lodged in Eartha Road jail, and his bail plea was rejected by the special court. The court order has made very strong observations in the case.
The court order accessed by Republic TV clearly mentions the grounds on which Aryan Khan's bail was rejected. The order cites the gravity of the situation and the seriousness of the offence committed, which also includes Aryan Khan. It talks about the fact that there was a conscious possession of drugs. The court essentially has observed that granting bail to Aryan Khan would essentially lead to a possibility of tampering of evidence.
NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede's first response to the court verdict was Satyameva Jayate. Because what has emerged through the court order is that the agency has built a very strong case. The NCB in its reply has mentioned illicit procurement and consumption of drugs and also states that Aryan has been in touch with those from the international drug network. Despite the court order laying down the grounds clearly, some parties have seen political motives.
एनसीबी ने अपनी भूमिका हर दिन नए नए तथ्यों को आगे लाने का प्रयास किया। कुछ झूठी चीज़ें भी कोर्ट के सामने रखी जाती है ताकि जमानत न मिल पाए। लेकिन मैं ये बता दूं, कोई हाईकोर्ट अगर चला जाए तो ये पूरा मामला फर्जी है। इसमें ना कोई सीजर क्रूज से हुई, ना कोई सीजर ये टर्मिनस से हुई। सारी तस्वीरें जो मीडिया को लीक की गई, ये जोनल डायरेक्टर समीर वानखेड़े के कैबिन की थी।
And those who have been running a campaign for Aryan Khan have been attacking the Narcotics Control Bureau. From drawing a communal link to politics, Aryan Khan's arrest has been mired in conspiracy theories of the lobby. But this court order has made it very clear. The slew of personal attacks on NCB Zonal Director has been unnecessary, and the verdict is a strong message to all drug users. Let's debate.
You know, initially when it all started, they said, Starcade, why is Starcade not getting bail? And it was, we heard that, MR and Rahul Narvekar of the BJP and MR Venkatesh, Indrajit Lankesh, filmmaker who's carried out massive anti-drugs campaign in Bengaluru, Raghav Avasthi, a known activist and lawyer, Kunika Lal, advocate and actor, and Shoaib Chaudhary, film and TV producer, Vikas Gupta, senior lawyer from Delhi, Kanishk Jayant is a lawyer from Mumbai, and Shilpi Jain is a lawyer from Delhi. When it started, they said, Starcade, it's gone too far. Why is it happening? How can it be? How can he be in jail system? And now they've started saying, then they said that the Narcotics Control Bureau is bad, the officer is bad, he goes after celebrities. And now they're saying that the system is bad because he's not getting bail. And now they're also saying, Kunika, that the court is bad. So I'm trying to figure out here, right? I've seen the court order. You're a lawyer. You can't, everyone who looks at the application of the law is seen to be prejudiced. What's going on, Kunika? Why? Why? Really? I mean, Rahul Narvekar is with you, but I'm starting with you tonight because I want to hear the other side. Yes.
No, how do you know that I am prejudiced against the NCB? I mean, did I say something like that?
I presumed.
Please don't presume.
Okay.
First of all, I
Please
want
proceed.
to say that this definitely is a message. It's a very strong message going out to drug users, to peddlers, to traffickers. Because if somebody as powerful as Shah Rukh Khan's son does not get bail, I'm sure there'll be a message that will be sent across. Secondly, I want to say that whatever Mr. Wankhede is doing and his team is doing, I congratulate them. But my problem here is that, first of all, I feel that they're clubbing too many accused together. Each one has a different crime that they have committed or allegedly committed.
Yeah.
Some people, they did not find any drugs on them. And unfortunately, because all these people have been clubbed together, therefore, their bail could be one of the reasons why the bail is rejected. Now,
No,
in-
may I
in terms of the
respond to that
29
one part?
section, no, one second, let me finish.
Kunika, no, I just on that part, I have a
Section
clarification on that, please. I'm with you. But since we want to all respond to each other and give you complete time, my response to you on that point is, and Rahul is here, he's also a lawyer, is that if you see the court order, right, or the City Civil and Sessions Court today, you will find that each of the applicant or accused has been dealt with separately. Each of the applicant or accused has sought bail on separate grounds. And yes, I have it too.
I've
And
read yours.
I have it too. Congratulations. And each of them has also been given bail on separate grounds or denied bail on separate grounds. So what you're trying to say is that Aryan Khan has been denied bail because he's been clubbed with Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha. That's not the case, is it, Rahul? She's making this comment which is factually incorrect. The charges against Aryan and the court order Aryan are separate from the charges against Arbaz and Munmun, and each of
There
them
was no
has been dealt with their own
NDPS
merit. Thank you.
Mr. Arnab Goswami, our NDPS Act is on possession, trafficking, or on usage, okay? And there are different punishments for all these. In 2001, there was an amendment, 64A, for people who are drug users because
No.
the law recognized that there's a failed system since 1985 where the drugs have not been able to be controlled, where the supply
No,
has
one
not
sec.
been able to be plugged, and therefore they should be treated differently.
No, I want to point out to you, since you, I want to point out to you, and since you are there and in possession, point out to point number 16 of the court order, which says that as far as accused number 1 is concerned, 6 grams of charas was found in possession of accused number 2, of which
That is
accused
the
number
user.
1, of which accused number 1 was having knowledge,
Not commercial
of
quantity.
which accused number 1 was having knowledge, and thus it can be said that it was in conscious possession of both the accused. This is the observation of the
On
court.
that basis,
Rahul, please.
But I'm saying,
Lord, now,
Rahul.
before I start, I think I need to clarify two charges.
Audio, please, to be improved for Kunika. Thank you. I can't hear Kunika at all. And Rahul is on the debate. Rahul.
Well, Lord, now,
Because
before I
you
answer
put
your
my
question,
faders
I think,
down.
there
No,
are
I
two
haven't.
charges which the defense
I haven't. There's a
has
little audio problem with you,
consistently
with your
leveling
end. If I
against the
wanted to put your fader
Which needs to
down,
be explained
I would
and
have.
understood.
But I haven't done a thing like that. Rahul, please continue.
Thank you. You've done it in the past.
No, I haven't done it in the past either. Please continue,
So,
Rahul.
there are two charges that need to be understood, clarified, and discussed before we go on to your question. The first charge against the prosecution seems to be that Aryan Khan is a soft target and therefore he's being victimized by the prosecution.
Okay.
Let me tell you, this is not the first case in this country, independent India, where a person is being tried for either consumption or peddling of drugs. There are dime a dozen cases which are investigated every day. But the only point here is, it is not the NCB which is covering this case every day. It is everyone, me, you, the media, the people who are on your channel are talking about it. This is one case that we are talking about. And therefore, it's in limelight. It's nothing to do with the NCB. Number one. Number two, can you tell me, insofar as Aryan Khan is concerned, this person who has been granted custody by
Anyone,
the
yes, he will.
judiciary of this country, do you have faith in the constitution of this country? They are doing their job. The investigating agencies are investigating. They have put up their case before the judiciary. The judiciary, in its wisdom, has granted further custody. You and me sitting outside can make comments, come to conclusions. In fact, I was surprised. I was on a channel before this, and out there I heard senior lawyers almost making insinuations against the court.
Vikas.
And I was astonished.
Kanishk, come on. Yeah.
I mean, why don't we
Keep
allow
the
the
topic.
judiciary to do its job? Why don't we allow the judiciary to do that? Why are we interfering? And number three, the criminal jurisprudence that I understand in this country, mens rea is an extremely important aspect of any charge when it's leveled against any individual. He may not actually perform a particular act.
No, you
but
see
mens rea, if it is involved, definitely
you
is
see,
triable by any force.
Vikas, and appreciate
Let
the
us-
opening,
let us-
appreciate the opening comments on the debate. By the way, viewers, debate is going to be an open debate tonight in which I'm not individually calling out. I don't want complete chaos, but I want complete participation. My point tonight is, Vikas, see, one section is going around saying, and my absolute sympathies with that section. My sympathies. I mean it, MR. They are saying, how can it be that such a well-known person's son can be denied bail? What is the basic argument? Let us please be clear and first of all a little bit honest with ourselves. This whole outrage group, the group that is getting outraged, why is it
Arnab,
outraged?
I'm
It's
not on
not.
the point
No.
whether
1 minute. Allow me to extrapolate a few of my
Arnab,
remarks.
I'm not-
Anyway,
I'm
as the
not on
debate
that.
progresses, I speak less and less. 1 minute. The point is, there is a group that is outraged. I'm outraged. I'm shocked. My jaw has dropped. I don't know what to say, etc., etc. They are not saying it on merit. They are saying it because it is a star's son.
Exactly.
Let's be clear. Oh, but you know, we have the
Specialized
best
treatment.
lawyers and still, the argument is we have the best lawyers and still, star son and still. Isn't that the basic argument? But everybody is supposed to be equal before the law. I mean, what are you people doing, Vikas? You're turning democracy on its head.
Arnab,
The
that is
court
not my
says,
argument, at
the
least
court
in-
says there
during
is a
your
prima
debate,
facie case. One
Arnab,
minute. What does the court say? Court says there could be a prima facie case. Court is not speculating. Please.
Arnab, may I just draw your attention to the NDPS Act for a moment, if you allow me. If you allow me 1 minute to dwell on the NDPS Act. Look at what happened in Riya Chakrabarti's case. To attract the embargo of 37(1)(b)(1) and 2, they attracted Section 27 capital A of illicit financing. Her bail application was dismissed by the sessions, which however was allowed by the Honorable High Court of Bombay.
Yeah.
Similarly, in this case, what is actually happening? A case of a personal consumption, which by virtue of judgments is a bailable offence. If the NCB puts in sections in their remand application or opposes where the embargo is created or where it is brought into intermediate quantity by virtue of conspiracy. That conspiracy is a very, very wide term. Need not be decided at the time of
you see
bail
what happens
application.
is,
What
a
I'm
minute,
saying
Vikas,
is, if the NCB is trying to convert a bailable offence in...
Vikas, 1 minute. One minute, MR, I need to clarify. You see what happens is this, MR, that when people like Vikas, who are lawyers, come and make what can be said to be factually incorrect and sweeping statements, you know, the lay audience tends to believe them. Now, Vikas's argument today is so contrived. Vikas, you are saying that certain sections of the NDPS Act do not apply. That is your basic point. Clear? Now, you quote Riya Chakrabarti case. Bring your attention to point number 31 of the order today. In the authority of Riya Chakrabarti, it has been made clear that all offences under the NDPS Act are non-bailable. Furthermore, it is noteworthy that conditions while granting bail as specified in section 37(1)(b) part 2 of the Act are in addition to the limitations provided under the Criminal Procedure Code or any other law for time being in force regulate in grant of bail. Jurisdiction to grant bail can be circumscribed by provisions of section 37 of the NDPS Act, which can be granted in the case that there are reasonable grounds to believe that the accused is not guilty. and that he is not likely to commit any offence under the bail, which means, simple words, simple English, viewers, if all that Aryan Khan has to do is to prove before the court that prima facie the offence that he, one minute, that prima facie the offence that he is being accused of is not an offence that he has committed. When you prima facie convince the court, you will be given bail.
27A.
I don't understand this.
Not in Aryan Khan's case.
But I am talking of Aryan Khan's case. Why are you moving away from it?
Stand corrected.
No, 1 minute. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Please stay. MR is responding here.
It's not a good precedent. It's not a good precedent.
MR is responding here. 1 minute, please. MR. MR, please. Now, I was talking between Vikas and MR. Thank you very much. Thank you. Vikas is still on the screen arguing. I'm responding to his points. I may please be kept on air. And Vikas, please listen to the very specific points. Don't make noise. Noise is not a solution here. The point is, as per the law, you have to prove that there are reasonable grounds to believe that you are not guilty. Reasonable grounds, not final grounds. If you have not been able to prove that, how is the rest of the world responsible? How is the government responsible?
That is applicable in commercial quantity. What you are talking about, reasonable ground that you are not guilty of the offence, that is applicable in commercial quantity, not in small quantity. Please understand.
Arnab, it is not merely an issue of commercial quantity or small quantity. Sir, let me tell you, the court denied bail simply because not only A1 was using or consuming drugs. A2 was in possession of more than commercial quantity, and A1 had more than a knowledge that A2 was carrying on such drugs. One, there were chats to indicate that there were larger conspiracy on which the cell phones were seized, and the WhatsApp chat suggests. No, what exactly? Arnab, let us not even go. Arnab,
we are talking about the principal basics of rule of law.
No.
The arrest made by the NCB.
So now you
NCB
want to
must
talk about
answer.
the basic rule of law.
They cannot
basic
rope
rule
in a
of law
private detective.
Is that, sir, you can fly kites, but today you will have to suffer this order, whether you like it or not. That is the basics of law.
Detective,
that is the basic of law.
Kiran
Second thing, here is a man who is known to consume drugs for such a long time.
He has taken a selfie with Aryan Khan 17 hours prior to his arrest.
So
is it allowed? Explain that. Is it allowed to take selfie?
No, so what?
Is it allowed to conduct such private investigation to take custody of people, physical custody of people? Is it allowed?
Don't try to defend drug.
Is it as per the Constitution of India?
No, drug consumers don't
Is
try
it
to
as per the Constitution of India? Can a private citizen,
I have children at home.
a tainted history
Let
shitter?
us not talk hyper-technical. Let us not
Kiran
hyperventilate.
Gosavi
We
is
are
a
now
history
talking
shitter.
about a serious
I
issue
represent
of which
we
one
the
of the
people.
most
I
important
represent
celebrities
we
of
the
Bombay.
people.
His son is supposed to have consumed drugs, and you are now coming
Where
and
is
talking
Kiran
about who has
Gosavi?
taken selfie. So
What happened to Kiran Gosavi, Manish
drug consumer
Bhanushali?
go away. You should pardon a drug consumer.
17 hours prior, the first document in this matter is not the FIR. Mind you, the first document is the selfie taken by a history shitter. This is the biggest blot on the investigation. This is the biggest blot on the investigation.
Here is a session judge who has
How
applied
can
his
you
mind
allow?
thoroughly.
How can you allow a history shitter to take
Okay, I 1 minute.
What kind of
A point.
is this?
A point, please. May I respond to Advocate? May I respond to Advocate Kanish Jayant, please?
Is the vehicle.
Advocate Kanish Jayant, if your audio can be a bit louder in the studio, I want to respond to you. Just 1 minute. Raghav is on the debate with you. I just need the audio fixed in the studio, please, because I want to hear both. Just 1 minute. I can't hear MR. I can't hear. Can I just hear Kanish Jayant, please? Kanish, can you say something? I can't hear you loudly enough in the studio. Yeah, thank you. Now Kanishk.
My point
now 1 minute. Kanishk ka counter to you. Kanishk
Where is the mystery man Kiran Gosavi?
Kanish, can I counter you? I heard your point there.
Where is the mystery
I
man
heard
Kiran
your point.
Gosavi?
I heard your point. And now a counter view to what you are putting before you, which will be further countered by Raghav Awasthi. You are making a point tonight on the debate that after being arrested, the star's son had a selfie taken. Allow me. That one of the two witnesses external witnesses allegedly brought in by the NCB took a selfie with the star son, and you are questioning the unnatural circumstances.
Kiran Gosavi.
Allow me, Mr. Kiran Gosavi. You are saying this is an unusual.
17 hours prior to the
may I
FIR
complete my point, Mr. Kanish, please? May I complete my point? Because you stopped me twice. Can I complete my point or I'll stop? Let me complete my point. You respond. Raghav responds. Great debate. Mr. Jayant.
By all means.
Mr. Jayant, thank you so much. Mr. Jayant, you are saying that it's unnatural for a star witness, a witness to take a picture with an accused. And you're also saying this particular witness has taken selfies with several other people,
kind of
including politicians. Allow me to complete. See, Mr. Jayant, now you know what? You wouldn't be allowed to do this in a court of law. You have to let me complete my point and then respond. I'm requesting you the second time. To which I say, yes, it is strange for a witness to take a selfie with an accused. Should he have taken it? No. Is it bad conduct? Yes. Is it illegal? I'm not sure. Is there a possible lack of propriety? Yes.
It is illegal.
Okay, fine. Okay, even if you say it's illegal, let there be a separate offense. And I want you to file an FIR against Mr. Gosavi for taking a selfie with Aryan Khan. But 1 minute. Having said that, Raghav, you're responding. Can I complete my point? Having said that, I point out to you the observations of the court. The court says that admittedly accused number 1 and 2 are friends since long. They traveled together and were apprehended together at the international cruise terminal. Further, in their voluntary statements, both of them disclosed that they were possessing said substance for their consumption and for enjoyment. Thus, all these things go on to show that accused number 1, Aryan Khan, was having knowledge of the contraband concealed by accused number 2. So, see, please don't pick up parts and things that you can distract people. Mr. Jain, this is the observation of the court.
Not at all, not at all.
What do you mean not at all? I've got the court order. No, I've got, what do you say not at all? I have it with me. Please prove it.
Mr. Jain, I also need to speak. I also need to speak. You cannot hog all the airtime. I'm sorry.
Listen to me.
You cannot hog all the airtime. Listen to me.
Listen to me, Arnab.
Listen to me. There is nothing illegal about taking a selfie.
We must
with
go to the
anybody
root of the matter. And I know that a person like you...
I don't know what is the section that is being cited. There is enough material in the WhatsApp
chat. That selfie is viral 17 hours prior.
There was an international drug deal going on. There is enough material in the WhatsApp chats to indicate
that it is a matter of trial.
Drug deal was being negotiated and it was about
at
to
this
be
point of time, in a serious matter like this,
so the trial
we cannot make
be conducted
loose
unless
statements.
there is investigation.
We are not the authority under the Indian Evidence Act.
What is your problem with the investigation? Just because he's a superstar,
Arnab, you and me, we are not an authority under the Indian Evidence Act.
Rule of law, or
we are not leading evidence.
Country be bent to the whims and fancies of star sons.
Absolutely, rule of law.
And evidence will have
what
to be
kind of a rule of law is this?
You
take selfie.
Let there be the investigation.
You take selfie.
Let there be investigation. Rule
with an
of law
accused,
is what
and who takes that selfie?
That irrespective.
Shilpi Jain is also on the debate right now. Kanish Jain, giving it a Shilpi Jain from Delhi. Shilpi.
NCB in no uncertain terms has denied it. They have disassociated themselves.
I'll just allow me to complete. I'll just allow me, Raghav, just hear me out. You've spoken long enough. Learn to hear.
They are superstars.
Raghav, learn to listen.
Just because they are superstars, the law should not apply to them. Why should the law not apply to them?
I will just discuss
Who do they
the
think they
spirit
are?
of NDPS
Then they will play the religion card.
With regard to the consumer. What is the spirit of...
This country made Shah Rukh Khan a superstar.
Okay,
and now his lackeys have the gall to play the religious card.
Raghav, allow me to say something.
I haven't completed
as yet. You are not on a monologue.
Please do.
You will. It's not a monologue. Just allow me.
I'm not. I never said that I was that it was supposed to be a monologue.
Okay, Shilpi.
Thank you. I am just discussing 2 sections of NDPS Act which show the spirit of this drug law with regard to consumers. And as per the NCB, as of now, he is a consumer, even if he had knowledge, although he has retracted the confession, all right, he had knowledge that his friend was carrying a small quantity of drug. What is the law with regard to a consumer? Section 39 says you will be granted release on probation, even if found guilty. Please see the spirit. We are prisoners of law. We cannot please allow me.
According to the NDPS Act, according to the NDPS Act.
Let her complete. Indrajit will come to you next. Let her complete. Indrajit, be patient. Be patient. Let Shilpi complete. Okay, I give 1 minute uninterrupted to Shilpi Jain. 1 minute uninterrupted to Shilpi Jain, and after that I'll come to you, Indrajit. Yes. Indrajit, please wait.
Has accepted.
Drug allows
Indrajit, please wait.
The consumer immunity from prosecution. Please read the law. If the prisoner says or the user, consumer goes to the authorities and says, I am willing to go for medical treatment, I am willing to go for de-addiction, one, even if found guilty, probation, two, immunity from prosecution. That's the spirit of the law. If this boy doesn't get bail in this case, I see absolutely no better case for bail. Then you have to make all offences without bail, make an embargo that regardless of the facts, no bail.
Okay,
he is being made a scapegoat just to send a message that nobody is above law.
No, 1 minute. First of all, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Just 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Indrajit, one line. Indrajit, one line. I find it very unusual that a Supreme Court lawyer should come on the program and say a message is being sent that nobody is above the law. Why do we need to send a message? Think about it. It should be a given. It should be a given. It should be a given. Indrajit.
According to the NDPS Act, I would like to make 2 points here. According to the NDPS Act, the mandatory rule is there will be no bail will be granted on 2 basic grounds. It's a discretion of the judge on 2 basic grounds. One is whether he will not repeat the crime, and the point number 2 is he is probably not guilty. And as Arnab said, and as we all know, that the accused number 1 has accepted to consumption of drugs. So, in an earlier 1 minute, please, let me finish the point. There is a recent case in Kerala High Court when the judge gave a bail in the narcotics case. The Supreme Court rejected the bail on these 2 grounds. They rejected the bail. And according to Arnab, you were saying one more point about a celebrity's son. Why should he not be given a bail? Actually, there is a recent statement from the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Mr. Ramana. He in fact said that there should not be a different rule of justice. There should not be a different rule or justice for the poor and for the rich, for a celebrity and a common man, or a corporate or a Aam Aadmi. So, in fact, I am with Samir Wankhede. In fact, I feel sorry for him because he's being chased, and Mr. Wankhede's wife is going through a lot of defamation because I read an article in a so-called politician who's in fact going into court saying that she's not made it in Bollywood, and that's why Mr. Wankhede is doing this. So it's very sad because today the narcotics, in fact, the narco-terrorism is so much alive. The narco-terrorism on the youth of this country, the narco-terrorism on the human resources of this country, the narco-terrorism on the future of this country. So, in fact, I am with the NCB, I am with Samir Wankhede, because you know what, we've been fighting this drug menace from past 1.5 years. In fact, you know, according to statistics, how much of drugs has been seized from past 1 year? 3,07,800 kgs of drugs has been seized. In fact, every 70 minutes, there is some drug cases is being seized, drugs has been seized. There is 9,112 cases of narco, in fact, cases is being registered by the NCB. In fact, lakhs, 49,000 crores of worth drugs have been seized from the past 1 year.
Shoaib,
so I'm really sorry for the people who are being supported just because you're a celebrity.
Just 1 minute. Shoaib,
that there's a system alive.
I would like to bring to your kind attention the fact that according to people like you, nothing has been found on Aryan Khan. Okay? Now, as you are aware and has been documented in this order, the Narcotics Control Bureau has recovered a large amount of mephedrone, which is commercial quantity. Mark my words, MR, commercial quantity. And carried out 6 other big seizures where cocaine, MR, ecstasy,
if we are discussing
ecstasy and ganja were recovered as a result of the arrest of these people, including Aryan Khan.
The order has it meant, is it
No, I'm telling you,
have recovered anything on Aryan Khan.
No, 1 second.
Nothing has been. The bail denied Mr. Arnab Goswami, the bail denied to Aryan Khan is only on the basis of some digital evidence, which is the same case. The same bail was denied to Riya Chakravarti last year, based on the digital evidence.
Okay.
Now the only difference between Riya and Aryan's case is that they had recovered 59 grams of ganja with Riya and nothing has been recovered from Aryan here in this case.
No, but is it true?
I'm sure the shoddy investigation that has been pointed out by NCB
you should not, I'll tell you one thing. Just 1 minute, MR, 1 minute. Shoaib, you should mislead everyone, but you should never mislead yourself. The fact of the matter is, this court order makes it absolutely clear that not only was Aryan Khan in conscious possession of drugs, namely charas, conscious possession, and it was said that while he is trying to argue, please let me point, while he is saying that there is no contraband of which he is in conscious possession, charas was found in possession of accused number 2, of which accused number 1, that is Aryan Khan, was having full knowledge, and thus it can be said that it was in conscious possession of both the accused. The court has said this. The court has said this. I don't understand. I don't understand this. I'll tell you one thing. Further,
very clearly mentioned in the court that nothing was arrested.
I'm sorry, you are misleading yourself again. You are aware of the fact, and maybe MR can tell you more, that a huge number of seizures and networks have been found as a result of the arrest of these 3 people, including Aryan Khan. Massive amount of drugs have been busted.
In fact, one argument that was being put forth was, look, a telephonic conversation or a WhatsApp message exchange between 2 people is not an evidence. Court went through it and said, not at the stage of investigation, it's at a stage of trial. And they have gone through the entire WhatsApp messages, and they see a huge conspiracy about how drugs are being procured, drugs are being
we have heard enough of these conspiracy theories in the Riya Chakravarti and Souvik Chakravarti case last year, where you all voted for the NCB and stuff, and nothing came out of it.
Why don't you take it gracefully? Why is it that it pinches? Why is it that pinches when Aryan Khan is arrested?
No, we are not speaking against the court or the NCB, but if there are some valid questions raised by an honorable minister against NCB, Mr. Wankhede and the NCB must come out clean as to why an independent witness who's a criminal himself was allowed to click pictures, not only click pictures, why was he allowed to sit with them and negotiate with the alleged accused? Why should I not take it that the alleged...
Why should Mr. Wankhede come clean?
Interesting.
Goswami was
unfortunate that an honest officer is being
a person called Roshan Jha puts out a tweet, and I must read it out. Roshan Jha says,
has raised some queries, and the officer and the NCB must come out clean on those questions.
Okay, Shoaib, I go back to Rahul Narvekar. And in this tweet it is said, Roshan Jha says, in movies they play Samir Wankhede's role. In movies they fight against drugs, show how dangerous it is for our society, but in reality they have all come together against Samir Wankhede. We have drastically misjudged these fake people.
Like Kiran Goswami.
The biggest
Now,
legal minds
How
in this
dangerous it
country
is for our
today
society
are
to protect a
discussing as to
person like
why.
Kiran Gosavi. Where is Kiran Gosavi?
No, one second.
Why has he taken? Who has allowed that selfie? 17
I think
hours
Rahul
prior to the
Narvekar should
registration
respond
of
to you on
FIR.
that. You made it a second time. Rahul Narvekar, I think you therefore accept that the court order is fine, but you're on the point of this one particular witness. I find from your responses, Mr. Jayant, that you feel
Kiran
it is
Gosavi?
part of a...
He's the mastermind.
Okay, so you feel it is part of a strategy that in a case like this, you should put a lot of pressure on the investigating agency. Is that your strategy? Because that strategy won't work in court.
No, I represent we the people. In the interest of rule of law, fair play, we must examine everything thoroughly and objectively. Who is Kiran Gosavi? Who is Kiran Gosavi? Can you explain?
1 minute.
He ran away.
I have already... No,
in a
1 minute.
white color Innova, MH12JG 3000.
So Kiran Gosavi is a witness in this case, and your basic one point is, Jayant, one line from me and Rahul will answer that.
In how many cases have
one line from me and Rahul will answer that.
Selfie?
One line from me and Rahul will answer that. You want to know my view since you asked the question? I presume you want to know my view, and therefore you'll have to hear my view.
Justify this conduct.
You want to hear my view? Can I?
It is the responsibility of the NCB.
Okay, so now you ask the question. I'm giving you my view, and I'll then let Rahul respond. Kanish, you've come the first time on my program.
We must place this document.
Mr. Kanish Jayant, you've come the first time on my program. I have an unusual gift to capture the fact, the sentence in your first 2 words. I've been anchoring for a long time. I'm an experienced journalist. I'll tell you my view on Kiran Gosavi. Don't repeat it a million times. It becomes, bothersome. Kiran Gosavi should not have taken a picture with Aryan Khan. A. B. Sameer Wankhede should have done due diligence on whether any of the people who are there with him as witnesses have been taking selfies with politicians. But as of now, that doesn't take away from anything the court said today. Come to the point. Rahul Narvekar will respond to you. Rahul.
I have not heard a more absurd argument than this, that the antecedents of a witness determine the merits of a particular case. I have not heard anything more absurd than this, number one. Number two, please appreciate that I have been hearing this argument on your channel for quite some time now. So does that mean the accused is not guilty? Does that mean that the accused is not guilty? I mean, what kind of jurisprudence are you prescribing to? What kind of jurisprudence are you prescribing to? Exactly. Are you the court? The court has considered all these facts. The court has considered all these facts. Despite that, the court has granted further custody. That speaks volumes. People like you, who have...
Hear me out for a moment. A secret informant is
the most important criteria. You people have been going on and saying there was nothing found on this person. There was nothing found on him. I have just started speaking.
I think you are very impolite.
Madam, I have just started speaking less than 20 seconds back.
Okay, allow me 1 minute. May I? See, the secret informant is meant to remain secret.
I request you to extend me the courtesy of allowing me to complete what I want to say.
You have been going on for a while.
No, you will get your turn. You'll get your turn. I can understand. I can understand the anxiety of protecting people accused of drug abuse. But I think you should stand behind the investigating agencies. That will be better for the society.
Don't try.
So having said that, please understand. Don't teach me morals. You're displaying your morals.
Shilpi, it's on the debate. It's a sharp debate tonight between Rahul Narvekar and Shilpi Sen.
Will you allow me now?
So,
before you
having said that, I will allow you after you allow me to complete what I have got to say. I know it's expecting too much courtesy from you, but I would request you to keep quiet for a minute. Let me complete and then you can go on.
No. You have
No, you cannot give certificates. You're not in the position. You've exposed your moral standards with regards to how the stand you've taken. So now hold your horses. Now hold your horses.
9:46 p.m. viewers. Which way do you stand on it?
Let me complete what I have to say. You'll know what arguments do I have. Let me complete what I have to say. Arnab, the entire defense of these people seems to be that there was nothing found on the person.
And you are not somebody who will issue moral certificates. If he is given bail by the High Court, will you apologize?
Will you? Have you been given the license?
Should I call you immoral?
Have you been given the license to issue certificates? Have you been given the license to get certificates?
I did not call you immoral.
Let the court do its job. People like you who are predetermined are an epidemic to the delivery of justice. People like you are an epidemic.
My view is very simple. My view is very simple. Shilpi, responding to you. You said if he gets bail from the High Court, etc., will you apologize? Was your question to Rahul? To which, may I just, one minute, Mr. Lankesh wants to come in. Mr. Lankesh wants to come in. To which my point is, let the courts decide as they do. But I am pretty sure that some of the findings of the Honorable Sessions Court are also grounded in fact. And the court has made a case about the conscious possession of drugs and about the networks which have been found. I want to tell you, the NCP has put before the court some hard evidence. And why don't you talk about the commercial quantity drug seizures made as a consequence? That's a key point. But nobody wants to talk about it.
Yes, I would like to come in.
Nobody wants to talk about it. Indrajit, 1 minute before I come to you, MR. MR is debating with Shoaib at the end. MR and Shoaib.
That is the core issue.
Yes.
Sir, this is not an isolated incident. It is like an octopus. It has got multiple arms. And therefore, you please wait. The investigations are going on.
Sure.
And
Last one.
Khan being incarcerated is very vital according to the court. Not according to MR Venkatesh or Arnab Goswami. But according to the court, it is important to incarcerate him for some more time so that the truth will come out. Now, why are you so petrified? The truth will come out. Why are you so anxious? Bollywood would be damned.
Closing the debate tonight, viewers. And on the other side this evening, ladies and gentlemen, Twitter is at it once again. I could not believe it when I was told this morning that Twitter had actually acted against the handles of ISKCON. For God's sake, Twitter, ISKCON are the victims here. Why would you go against the victims? ISKCON in Bangladesh and elsewhere are the victims in the case in point. I'm back on the other side of a short break.